Good afternoon, all of you. Is audio video clear? Good afternoon, all of you. कैसे हैं सब लोग? Is audio video clear? Yeah, very good afternoon. कैसे हैं सब लोग? Yeah, I think now voice is okay. Right. Okay, so hope all of you doing great and your preparation is also going well. Yeah, very good afternoon. Moni, Jimmy, Ishan, Himanshu Pandey, right, Sweta, Ishan Agarwal. Yes. So very good afternoon. Yes. So in the today's session, okay, we are going to discuss operating system gate through questions, okay, for gate 2025. So we are going to discuss various questions from the operating system. Hope you prepared operating system very well and thoroughly revised. And some questions are some questions are numerical type, some questions are MSQ, some questions are MCQ as usual. So all variety of the questions are available. And first I will give you the question, okay, and immediately you try to solve the question. I will wait 2 to 3 minutes time and make sure you are ready with the paper and pen. So keep the paper pen in front of you, okay, just like a gate exam, feel like a gate exam, and try to work on accuracy. I will give you the proper sufficient time, okay, 2 minutes 3 minutes of time I will give you, right, because numerical type questions accuracy is more important, okay, right. So just be ready and make sure you are ready with the paper pen, okay, with the proper audio video, and otherwise keep the earphone or whatever, okay, right. So we'll discuss okay, various questions, and session will be for 1.5 hours to 2 hours, so depending on the time we will spend, okay, right. So ready guys? Okay, so almost around 42 students are there in the live. Okay, so let's begin. So do not waste the time, okay, so just keep everything ready, okay, paper and pen, and questions are, okay, covering all the syllabus, all areas, okay, synchronization, memory management, file systems. I jumbled all the topics, because not in exactly proper sequence, because the question can be from anywhere in any topic, correct? Okay, so do not waste the time. So let's begin. The first question on the screen. So read the question thoroughly, carefully, and give your best possible answer in the comments, okay, and don't look at the other people answers unless you solve the question completely. जब तक आप पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करोगे दूसरों का आंसर मत देखो, okay, what is other people are typing, okay, so you don't worry about other people answer, okay, fine. So just begin the first question on the screen. This is an easy question and a numerical type question guys, easy question only. Read the question carefully. What matters is your accuracy is only matters. Yeah, little bit frames are lagging, so you don't worry, concentrate on the question only. I am waiting for your answers. Almost 50 people are coming live. Okay, what happened? The question is tough. Okay, so I gave sufficient time, guys. So almost 3-4 minutes time, 4-5 minutes completed. Only 2-3 people given the answer. Okay, I'll wait last 1 minute, guys. क्या हो गया, सब लोग टेंशन में है क्या? Okay, so time up, guys. This is not a tough question, guys. I don't understand that. Okay, very few people are given the answer, right? So understand here, he is using the free list approach. Okay, for maintaining what? Free space management. Disk block size is what? 4 KB. Disk block address is what? 32-bit long. And assume at a particular instance the disk is having 3 blocks which is used for free list purpose. Okay, free list purpose. Okay, what is used? 3 disk blocks are used. Okay, for the free list. The maximum free blocks available for a file at this instance, and it clearly given in every disk block the last address is reserved for what? Pointing the next level block, otherwise it remains null. So it is very clear. Okay, it is very clear. So please understand here. Now first find out what is the free list approach. Tell me. Okay, generally you study in the free list approach. So you are having the disk blocks like this. Okay, you will have the disk blocks like this. So you are having something like X, Y, Z, something like 3 disk block addresses, and next it will have pointing to this, like you have a pre disk block address ABC like this, and in the last disk block we'll have next, and let's say you are having some address like P, Q, R, something like this, and the last, let's say it is null. Okay, so what is all this here? Free disk block addresses. Free disk block addresses. So all these are what? Free disk block addresses. Okay, right? So I write here free disk block addresses. Correct. Now in the question what is said, how many disk blocks he is using for maintaining the free disk block addresses? Free disk blocks, 3 disk blocks he is maintaining. So first you find out number of disk block addresses we can store in one disk block. Okay, what is that? You find number of disk block addresses possible to store in one disk block. Number of disk block addresses possible to store in one disk block. How you will know? We will find out this direct formula. Okay, you already know db size divided by dba, disk block size divided by disk block address. Correct. So what is the disk block size he has given? I think 4 KB he has given, and okay, divided by disk block address is 32-bit long, that is 4 bytes. Okay, see b cancel, so this is 2 power 12 divided by 2 power 2, that is 2 power 10. Okay, so in one disk block we can store how many addresses? 2 power 10 addresses. Okay, ऐसा कितने डिस्क ब्लॉक्स यूज कर रहे हैं बताओ? 3. So it means 3 into 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is what? 1024. Correct. So एक ब्लॉक के अंदर 1024 addresses we can store, right, in one disk block. This is 1024, right? But what is that he said? In every disk block one address, last address is maintained, okay, for the next disk block address or maybe otherwise null. तो ये पूरा ओके मल्टीप्लाई करके इसमें से कितने हटाना पड़ेगा? 3 हटाना पड़ेगा. Correct. So now tell me what is the value of this? This value is 3072 minus 3. So that is 3069. This many free disk blocks are available. This many free disk block addresses we can store. In the 3 disk blocks in the 3 disk blocks, this many free disk block addresses we can store. It means this many free disk blocks are available. This many free disk blocks are available. So what is the right answer? 3069. 3069. So answer. Okay, I am reading the question. The maximum free blocks available for a file at this instance are 3069. Is that clear? Right? Okay. Right, so this is the answer. Numerical type question, you need to type this answer 3069. Okay, right? So right, yeah, 2 power 10 only, right? Okay, right? So only very less people are given now, right? Very less people are given the answer, right answer. Is this clear for everyone? Is this clear for everyone? Is this clear for everyone? Just give me the comment. Is this clear for everyone? Where is the mistake you are doing? Directly just multiplying 2 power 10 into 3 directly. Right. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay. You understand the mistake. That is fine. You understood the mistake. That is fine. Okay. Right. What if not point not given? If note point is not given, that is just multiply with the same thing. Okay, exact this answer only. Note point is not given, that's a different case. He has to clarify. He has to clarify the note point. Otherwise, there is the ambiguity. Correct? Note point to dena padega. Right. Okay. So that's what. Okay. See, in the questions, especially file system and memory management, terminology of the question is also important. Terminology of the question is also important. Okay, right? So I think that is clear for everyone, right? Yeah. So it's okay. Move on to the next question. Okay. See, I brought more numerical type questions because I want to check your accuracy. More numerical questions and not very tough questions. Okay, easy to moderate. So almost 50 people are in the live, but this question, okay, only 4 or 5 people given the answer. So maybe some people are not commenting. That's a different case. Okay, right. So I'm moving on to the next question. Okay, be ready. Don't take tension. Okay, just be ready with the paper and pen and read the question properly. So moving on to the next question. Question is on the screen. I will maintain silence. Shweta Arora, wrong answer. Himanshu Pandey, wrong answer. Remember, it's a numerical type question. Numerical type means exact answer you must type. He said clearly up to 2 decimal places. Up to 2 decimal places. Question is saying, and the numerical type question. So exact answer you have to type. Okay, last 1-2 minutes. Okay, so okay, many people given the right answer. Okay, somebody given wrong answer also, right? So I have no idea. So why so many people are giving wrong answer? See, remember I always say in the class, okay, everything is important. Okay, your calculation important, your speed important, accuracy important. Okay, and this question is only checking your calculation. Remember, it is not okay any tricky question. There is no tricky in this question. So the right answer, okay, I write here the exact answer is 16.07, but it's a numerical type. They will take the range 16.06. So generally to 16.08. So all these considered to be correct. Okay, somebody given 16.07, 16.08. So both are correct. So they will take the range. They will take the range. So understand the question. So Unix inode, okay, file system which is inode of a file contains. Okay, see here inode of a file contains 10 direct and 2 single indirect and 1 double indirect pointers. This block size is what 8 kilobytes and the block address is 64 bit long. It means this block address is 64 bits. Assume file F, okay, stored in the file system, and inode of a file has 10 direct. That particular file is having 10 direct pointers और 2 single indirect pointers है, but 1 double indirect pointer क्या है बताओ? null. So one double indirect pointer null है, तो it means double indirect को consider नहीं करना. You should not consider double indirect. Okay, and is saying that okay, the size of the file without considering the inode. So we have the direct formula, correct? So what is that? Okay, size number of direct disk block addresses, number of direct disk block addresses. Direct disk block addresses plus single indirect. How many single indirect hai? 2 single indirect. 2 single indirect means what? 2 multiply with db size. So divided by what? dba. Okay, right. So in case if double indirect is there, you write what? Okay, db size dba power square. But double indirect that disk block address is null. तो इसका मतलब double indirect में फाइल का डेटा नहीं है. In the double indirect there is no data of the file. So you multiply, okay, everything with what? Okay, db size. That's it. So this is the calculation you have to do. So number of direct disk block addresses he has given 2 and the single indirect 2 है, 2 multiply with the db size. What is the value of db size? I think 8 KB. So 8 KB divided by, and the dba is how much? 64 bits. 64 bits means what? 8 bytes. 8 bytes. Okay, so you multiply everything with what? db size. Db size is what? 8 KB. Correct. So this is bb cancel. So just make the, okay, 8 also cancel. So very simple. So this is 10 plus, what is the answer here? 1k means 1024 into 2. So 1024, okay, into 2. So let me show you the calculation. So this is right here, 2 into 1024. Okay, so multiply with what? 8 multiply with the 1024 bytes. So you can just put this value exactly in the calculator. So I am directly writing the answer. So this value is 168. So I am just writing the answer 168 59136. So 59136 bytes. Correct. So in the answer is asking mega. He is asking with mega. So mega means so divided by what? 2 power 20. मेगाबाइट्स में चाहिए 2 power 20 से डिवाइड करो the exact answer is 16.078. okay, ऐसा कुछ आएगा, right? But you can type anything, 16.07 or 16.08, anything is fine. So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. 16.07 is also right answer. 16.08 is also right answer. Okay, I said they will take the range. So any answer is correct. So this calculation is important. So 2 power 20 for example you are not able to okay do, so you can do 1024. okay, इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं बताओ? 1024 मल्टीप्लाई विद द 1024, ऐसा कर लो अगर आप कैलकुलेटर में आप करना नहीं दिक्कत हो रहा है तो. सो यू फाइंड आउट सम वे. ओके, कैसे भी आपको करना चाहिए मगर आंसर आपको ऐसा ही निकालना है, राइट? सो दिस इज द आंसर. सो चेक. सो मेनी पीपल आर गिवन नाउ. Sweta Arora, okay, how many decimal places you have to take in the question, they will clarify. You don't need to worry about that. So that ambiguity questions never came. सर अप टू 2 डेसिमल्स अगर ऐसा नहीं दिया तो कितना डेसिमल लेना चाहिए? अप टू 2 डेसिमल लिखो. जनरली अप टू 2 डेसिमल्स एवरीबडी विल राइट. ओके, मैक्सिमम एनी आंसर जनरली यू राइट अप टू 2 डेसिमल्स. okay, if nothing is given you can type up to 2 decimals, but they will clarify in the question. okay, we have not received that kind of question in any paper. okay, right, this is the answer. Is this clear for everyone? Yeah, many people said 1.05 and 8.08. I have no idea. So where the calculation mistake? Okay, please verify. Please verify your calculation. So answer is correct. Okay. So I'm moving on to the next question. Okay. So don't worry. Just ignore this question. Let's move on to the next question. Concentrate. See, remember what is important in the GATE exam. Please understand the previous question result. Previous question, your analysis, your problem solving, that will not reflect in the next question. अगर previous question बहुत अच्छा किया तो भी उसका असर दूसरा क्वेश्चन में नहीं पड़ना है. अब previous question ना बहुत बुरा भी किया, अब बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है, उसका असर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज द ओनली वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. एक क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया, उसका असर तुम्हारे को दूसरा क्वेश्चन में पड़ेगा. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. With the first 2 questions you have not done. Okay, don't worry, just ignore, just move on to the next question. अभी third question आने वाला है. complete fresh mind. Smile करो, third question को attack करो. Move on to the third question. Third question on the screen. I will maintain silence. Read the question, carefully read the question. right? So this is a very simple question, guys. Okay, it should not take more than 1 minute. Okay, maximum 1 minute, otherwise 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes. Okay, it should not take more than 2 minutes. So I'm not going to wait, okay, more time. So somebody given the answer, somebody not given the answer, right? Okay, so let's move on to this. Okay, consider system with a 40-bit logical address space and 4 KB page size, and understand here the system uses 4 GB byte addressable physical memory. Let n and m are the number of page table entries if the system uses conventional single level page table and inverted page table. Okay, right. So find out first conventional page table size. Okay, conventional page table size. What is the formula for conventional page table size? Conventional page table number of entries same as number of pages. So okay, virtual address is what system is our logical address 40 bits. Okay, number of entries same as number of pages 2 power 40 divided by page size is what 4 KB. So 4 KB means 2 power 12. So this is how much here 2 power okay, so 28. Correct. Conventional page table size, conventional page table. Okay, I write here conventional page table size. I'm not saying conventional page table number of entries. Number of entries. Okay, in okay conventional page table. Correct. Number of entries in the conventional page table is this. Okay, right. Number of entries in the inverted page table. Tell me number of entries in inverted page table. In inverted page table, tell me what is the answer? Number of entries in inverted page table the same as number of frames. Number of frames means what? Physical address 4 GB. 4 GB means 2 power 32. Correct. So divided by same frame size, page size both are same 2 power 12. So this is 2 power 20. Right. This is number of entries in the conventional and inverted. So the question is asking the value of log base to n. So it means what? You apply 2 power 28. So log base 2 minus okay log base 2 2 power 20. So what is the value? So this is 8. Answer is 8. Okay, this is okay 28 minus 20. Correct. So shall I write that? Not required. 28 minus 20. So answer is what? 8. So 8 आपको type करना होगा. So that is the numerical type question. Answer is 8. I think many people given the answer. Okay, everybody given correct answer. Okay, right. So excellent. So that is fine. So let's move on to the next question. Right, this is easy. Next question on the screen. Right, this is from the CPU scheduling. Be ready with the paper. So solve this. This is MSQ. Okay. So everybody giving right answer. Okay, it is a round robin scheduling. Okay, you have to solve with the right. So you have to solve with the round robin scheduling, and with the time quantum is given as what 3. Okay, please understand. And you need to solve the question with the ready queue. आपको ready queue लेके अच्छे से solve करना. So you need to find out average turnaround time, and okay, if you make the Gantt chart, so average turnaround time is 15.5. So this is the right answer. And next P2 terminates before P3, right answer is C. Okay, so here I am giving the answer is what A comma C, A comma C. Okay, that is the right answer. So many people given the right answer. I think no need to explain this. Okay, this is not a tricky question, and just a conventional question to see your calculation and speed. Okay, right. So you know that CPU scheduling is very very important. Every year definitely the question will come. Okay, right. So please understand. So I am not explaining this question because it is easy. Okay, not a tricky, uncomfortable. So I will move on to the next question, guys. Okay, be ready with the next question. Next question is also concurrent programming. Okay, so read the question carefully, read the question. Sometimes the question may be easy, but terminology may be difficult, and moreover sometimes the question you will find the pseudo code given. So don't think too much about the syntax. Don't think too much about the syntax. Think about only the pseudo code and understand that okay, what is trying to okay give in the question. Okay, right. So I'm not explaining because this is easy one. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, on the screen. क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लो अच्छे से. Okay, excellent. Everyone giving the right answer, right? So only one person given wrong answer, Srijit. Okay, right? So I think Srijit, I think B you have given. So B में देखो one is not possible in the B at all. There is no chance. Okay, see here the B value is changing. B value becoming 4, and you go there. Okay, even if you take preemption and you go there, A equal to 1, whatever you do. Okay, B equal to 1 never possible. So B equal to 1 is there in this and in this. So these two are wrong answers. And next, if you observe in the option C, okay, A equal to 1 final value possible or not possible? Possible, because I execute this and come back and I execute this, A equal to 1 and B value changing. देखो फाइनल वैल्यू A का 1 होने का चांस है. फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ A कैन बी 1. यस, डेफिनेटली पॉसिबल. फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ A इक्वल टू 1 बिकॉज आई एग्जीक्यूट टोटली दिस. ये पूरा चला दिया, उसके बाद A इक्वल टू 1 किया तो B इक्वल टू ये B प्लस A किया तो A इक्वल टू 1 फाइनल वैल्यू होने का चांस है. यस, A इक्वल टू 1 फाइनल वैल्यू होने का चांस है. तो A इक्वल टू 1 फाइनल वैल्यू ऑप्शन सी में नहीं है. सो राइट आंसर इज व्हाट? A. You can check all possible combinations if you want. If you want all possible combinations, you can check. So remember, sometimes you get okay afraid of this terminology. So don't afraid of this terminology. So it means this is the okay thread P and this is a thread Q. Pair begin में दोनों चल रहा है तो इसका मतलब these two are executing parallelly. So ये दोनों parallelly चल रहा है. So that is the meaning of this. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so right answer is what? A. A is the right answer. So answer is A. Okay, so most of you if you implement statement to it increment, okay, whatever, okay, Jimmy, right? So answer is what? A. What is your answer? A only, right? Right, very good. So that's what I'm saying. So all of you got A. So in case you are having any doubt, you can check all possible combinations. Okay, so don't worry. So move on to the next question. Right, next question is a simple one. Okay, generally that is based on this producer consumer. Based on the producer and consumer, options are this side. Options are this side. I think you can easily solve this question. Read the question carefully. Okay, so I think more time is not required for this question also. Generally This question you should be knowing, right? Only the terminology is important here. Okay, so the right answer is what? This is the simple code generally we use in the producer and consumer. If you observe, see down of empty here, down of mutex. So very clear. And here you observe here down of mutex and down of full. So generally these two statements are interchanged. Okay, right? These two statements are interchanged. So when these two statements are interchanged, what is the possibility? Deadlock. There is a possibility of deadlock. So when the deadlock possible, when the buffer is empty, when the buffer is empty and consumer is still trying to consume. See what happens when the buffer is empty. Now you execute. When the buffer empty, you say down of mutex. Okay, it becomes 1 to 0. You say down of full. When you say down of full, it becomes -1. Now consumer is suspended here. Right, when the buffer is empty, consumer suspended here. Now if I execute the producer is possible. See, producer will also suspend because down of empty will become n-1 and down of mutex. See, what is the mutex value? See here 0 and 0. If you say down of mutex, it will suspend here. See, producer suspended here and consumer suspended here. So when this situation is coming when the buffer is empty. Okay, so I am writing here when the buffer is empty and consumer is executing first. Consumer is executing first. बफर एम्प्टी है, कंज्यूमर पहले चल रहा है. अगर कंज्यूमर पहले चल रहा है तो कंज्यूमर तो कैसे भी सस्पेंड होगा ही होगा, बस कैसे भी कंज्यूमर सस्पेंड होगा. एट द सेम टाइम प्रोड्यूसर भी अगर चलाएंगे तो ये भी सस्पेंड होगा. सो बोथ आर सस्पेंडिंग. And next, coming to the mutual exclusion. Mutual exclusion is possible. Mutual exclusion is definitely possible because see, you are having down of mutex here and down of mutex here. So only one person will use this buffer. Let's take this is the buffer here, right? So only one person will execute buffer. So it means satisfies mutual exclusion, but deadlock may occur. Okay. So the right answer is what? B. B for Bombay is the right answer. Okay, right? So I think most of you given the right answer. So I think no need to worry about this. So let's move on to the next question on the screen. Be ready, guys. Next question. This is a easy question. Just like one more question sometimes you may get. This is MCQ. जल्दी देखते ही बोल सकते, कभी कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. Sometimes you may get this kind of questions also. Just for revision purpose, I have taken this question. Not a very tough question. Okay. So this is just one more question, guys. This kind of questions can be asked. So if you observe, right, no need to spend more time on this. So okay, right. So if you observe this, CPU utilization is only 13% and disk utilization is 97. So what is that? Okay, showing here. Okay, it means disk utilization is more, CPU utilization is very less. So it means this is very clear, that is the thrashing. Okay, right. So A is matching with the 3. A is matching with the 3 means so this is not eliminated, this is eliminated. Okay, next CPU utilization is what? 92%. Okay, very good. Okay, right. And the next disk utilization is 11. Okay, it means what? System is well utilized. Okay, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, so there is no problem. So that is matching with 1. And the CPU utilization is only 21%. Disk utilization is also only 3%. देखो CPU utilization भी कम है और disk utilization भी कम है, तो क्या कर सकते हैं? We can increase what? Multi programming. So multi programming भी increase कर सकते हैं. So C is matching with the 2. So what is the right answer? Okay, B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay, so answer is B. Right. So most of you given the right answer. Okay, so some people give a wrong answer, so that is fine. Okay, no problem. Okay, right. So let's move on to the next question now. Okay, so think carefully and solve. Okay, next question. Okay, easy only, right? Only thing is accuracy matters. So read the question. This is based on the segmentation and the logical address and physical address. We solve this question. Generally, we solve this kind of question, but only thing is like many things to check here. Okay, right. So remember this kind of question, you have to check the options pattern also. See, remember the first person given the answer. Okay, I think Srijit. Srijit is given the answer. Okay, 2 minutes, 3 minutes back. Okay, right. So just observe. Somebody giving the answer very long back. Okay, sorry, somebody giving the answer very long back, somebody is giving very late. Okay, what is the meaning of that? See, just observe the pattern here. If you observe the options, थोड़ा एक बार options को देख लो क्या हो रहा है. options में इसमें 1E है, देखो 1E, इसमें 1B है, चलो ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट इसमें क्या है बताओ, 1C है. ओके, 1C है दोनों में, इसमें दोनों में 2E है, चलो ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट ओके 3D है, चलो 3D है. सो यहां तक सेम है, देखो यहां तक सेम है, इसमें भी यहां तक सेम है, राइट. सी, यू शुड बी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, ओके, इंटेलिजेंट टू चूज एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज ऑल्सो मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. आप अगर ब्लाइंडली आप सॉल्व करते जा रहे हैं, 1 का चेक किया और 2 का चेक किया और 3 का चेक किया, 4 का चेक, अरे टाइम वेस्ट होगा ना, टाइम वेस्ट होगा ना. एक बार ऐसा स्कैन कर ले तो दिख रहा है तुमको, एक बार आंख से इसको देखे तो मालूम हो रहा है कि अरे ये दोनों ऑप्शन में यहां तक सेम है. तो एक बार क्या कर लेते, 4 का पहले चेक कर लेते. लेकिन देखो 4 का इसमें बी है और 4 का इसमें ए है, करेक्ट. 4 का इसमें देखो सी है और इसमें देखो क्या है बताओ, डी है. तो इसका मतलब 4 का हर एक चीज में कंप्लीट अलग है. 4 का देखो 4 इज मैचिंग विद ए, 4 इज मैचिंग विद बी, 4 इज मैचिंग विद डी, 4 इज मैचिंग विद सी. सो सब में अलग अलग है. तो एक बार 4 का देख लेते क्या होगा. ओके, हियर इट इज ए, हियर इट इज बी. पहले 4 का करो, उसके बाद डायरेक्ट आंसर निकालो, काम खत्म, राइट. सो सम पीपल आर ओके ब्लाइंडली सॉल्विंग, सबका सॉल्व कर रहे हो आप, सबका सॉल्व कर रहे हो, राइट. सो ओनली 4 से हो जाएगा. तो पहले 4 का करो. 4 का क्या दिया बताओ, 4 का ओके आपको दिया गया 3,222. ओके, सी हियर, ओके 3,222, राइट. So in the segmentation, so you consider this is yes and this is D. Segment number 3 and offset value क्या है बताओ, 222. Okay. Now tell me segment number 3 पे जाओ. Segment number 3. What is the base address? 492. Length क्या है बताओ, 302. So what is the condition you have? D less than L. ये condition होना चाहिए segmentation में. In the segmentation follow this. So you check 222. Okay, less than 302. So condition is followed. Yes, condition followed. So the condition is followed. Then what you will do? Tell me. Base address will be added to offset, and you go to what, correct, okay, specific position. Okay, in the PS. So what is the base address? Directly 498. Okay, plus D value is what, 222. So what is the answer here? 720. Now 720 is matching with what? Okay, 720 is what? A. See here. Okay, it means 4 is directly matching with A. That's it. So right answer is what? C. Answer is C. 4 is matching with A. So direct answer is what? Okay, C. So sometimes this is very important. How you are solving the problem, this is also very important. इसको बोलते थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस है, कॉमन सेंस भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो एक बार ऐसा स्कैन करे तो मालूम हो रहा है ओके ये दोनों कंप्लीट अलग दिख रहा है, ये दोनों सेम है, और यहाँ पे फोर्थ वाला में कंप्लीट अलग है, फोर्थ वाला इसमें अलग है, इसमें अलग है, इसमें अलग है, सब में अलग अलग है फोर्थ वाला. तो एक बार इसको पहले चेक कर लेते हैं, काम खत्म. सो डायरेक्ट आंसर इज व्हाट, सी. Because 4 is matching with A and there is no way it is repeated. Okay, correct. So you can solve only in 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, fine. Is this clear for everyone? Is this clear for everyone? Right. Okay. Okay. Right. So that is also important. So that you should remember. So move on to the next question. Move on to the next question. Be ready with the next question. Right on the screen. This is a good question, so your calculation matters. Okay, very less people given the answer, and somebody giving wrong answer, somebody giving right answer. Carefully check. Sayan Chakraborty, no question in the question. Right? You are asking question in the question. Right. Okay, so last 1-2 minutes. Okay, looks like somebody has not revised the notes. Okay. Okay. So fine. Okay. So somebody is given right answer, somebody giving wrong answer. So first, let me try to solve this. Okay. Right. So first of all, okay, he is asking what length of the virtual address supported. Virtual address means what? Logical address. So in the virtual address or logical, both are same. So what you have in the virtual address? P and D, correct? And what is the page size? Okay, 16 KB pages. So it means that is the page size. Page size is a 16 KB means how many bits are required for the D here? That is the 14 bits are required for the D. Very clear. So system implements 14 KB pages. So 2 power 14. 2 power 14 means what? D value is what? Okay, 14. Very clear. The physical address supported is what? Okay, 39 bits. A page table entry consists of a valid bit, dirty bit and 5 permission bits and the translation bits. See, tell me, what is the translation bits? Translation bits means what? Frame number. Translation bits means what? Frame number. I told, okay, many times if you revise the notes. Translation bits means what? Okay, frame number. Okay, correct. So first you need to find out how many bits are required for translation. So it means that is a frame number. So how many bits are required for the frame number? How do you know about that? How do you know how many frame number bits are available, how many required? So you need to find out number of frames. So you find out number of frames. So number of frames, how will find out? PAS divided by frame size. So PA given as 39 bits. So that is 2 power 39 divided by 2 power 14. So I think that is 2 power 25. Okay. So number of frames 2 power 25. So frame number requires how many bits? 25 bits. So now tell me page table entry size. पेज टेबल एंट्री के अंदर क्या बोल रहे हैं बताओ, ए वैलिड बिट, सो ए वैलिड बिट मींस 1 बिट फॉर वैलिड, 1 बिट फॉर dirty bit, okay, and 5 permission bits, correct, and translation bits. Translation bits is how much here? 25. So how much is the value coming here? This total value is what? 32 bits. So 32 bits is what? 4 bytes, correct. So this is I think 6 7, okay. So 25 plus 7 32, correct. So that is page table entry size. Now come back to this. Maximum size of the page table of a process is what? 8 MB. So now tell me what is the formula for page table? Page table size equal to number of entries in the page table, number of entries in the page table multiply, okay, with the page table entry size. Okay, so number of entries in the page table is same as what? Number of pages. So you find out this value, this side value, page table size is how much here? So 8 MB. So that is given. Number of entries in the page table, okay, we'll assume it as a X, and page table entry size is what? Okay, 4 bytes. Page table entry size is what? 4 bytes. So understand here, okay, so B cancel, okay, 4, and this is okay, if you observe this is 2 I think, right. So X equal to what? 2M, correct. X equal to how much? What is the X value? X equal to 2M, 2 mega. 2M means what? 2 power 21, 2 power 21, correct. So this is number of entries in the page table. This is same as what? Number of pages. So number of pages अगर 2 power 21 है, if the number of pages are 2 power 21, the page number requires how many bits? How many bits? 21 bits. Because number of entries in the page table that is same as number of pages. So number of pages 2 power 21 है, तो page number requires 21 bits, correct. So can I write 21 for the P here? Yes. So what is the virtual address? Total virtual address 21 plus 14. 21 plus 14. That is how much here? 35 bits. 35 bits. So the right answer is 35. So 35 आपको टाइप करना होगा. 35 आपको टाइप करना है. Okay, right? So somebody is given 34 bits. Somebody is given 37, somebody given 32, okay, so just verify. And somebody is asking, sir, what is translation bits? Translation bits is number of frames, sorry, frame number. Translation bits means what? Frame number, that is indirectly frame number. So I think it is clear for everyone. So somebody given the right answer, somebody given wrong answer. So make sure जो आपको मालूम है उसमें गलत कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. So that is your strength. आपका स्ट्रेंथ वही होगा जो आपको आता है उसमें कभी गलत नहीं करना है. जो चीज नहीं आता है तो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट केस. जो चीज नहीं आता है दैट्स अ डिफरेंट केस. जो तुमको आता है अच्छे से उसमें कभी गलत नहीं करना. राइट? ओके. सो आई थिंक दैट इज क्लियर. सो मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन द स्क्रीन बेस्ड ऑन द सेमाफोर. दिस इज अ सिंपल वन. सिंपल वन यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व. Okay, right. So it will not take this much time. Okay. So easily elimination technique also you can do. Elimination technique you can do. See here. Okay, this kind of question obviously you have to think about the elimination technique and all possible options. So if you see here, second one A C. देखो क्या प्रिंट होना चाहिए प्रोसेस कंकरेंटली पॉसिबल आउटपुट्स आ रहा है ए सी पॉसिबल आउटपुट बोल रहा है ए सी अगर आपको प्रिंट करना है बस ओनली दिस वन जस्ट ऑब्जर्व हियर ओके ये देखो ये क्या हो रहा है बताओ ऑप्शन ए से क्या होगा सी एफ बी सी एफ पूरा चलाना बी पूरा चलाना दैट्स अ डिफरेंट केस एक बार इसको बाद में देख लेते हैं अब देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है ओके ए डी सी एफ देखो ए डी इसको पूरा चला प्रिंट होना सी एफ उसके बाद प्रिंट पूरा प्रिंट होना सो इसके बारे में बाद में सोचते यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट लेटर बट नाउ दिस वन इफ यू सी हियर ए सी प्रिंट होना चाहिए पक्का you want to print AC so it means you have to execute up to here and take preemption and you have to execute up to here and take preemption AC definitely you have to print अगर AC प्रिंट करना है ओके ये प्रिंट करके और उधर जाके वो C प्रिंट करना है नाउ टेल मी ये प्रिंट करना बोले तो ये दोनों सक्सेसफुल होना चाहिए if you want to print A these two semaphores should be successful that is X and Z and afterwards if you want to print C and ये दोनों semaphore successful होना चाहिए Z and X ये दोनों भी successful होना चाहिए so this must be successful here and this must be successful here then only AC output is possible then only AC output is possible it means definitely X here and Z here so Z here and X here so X and Z should be definitely 2 होना चाहिए X पक्का 2 होना चाहिए और Z पक्का 2 होना चाहिए then only that is possible so in other options Y के बारे में सोचने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है तो Y is all options it is 0 only so the right answer is what A is the right answer A is directly answer okay A is the right answer is this clear for everyone just make the proper observation when you are having this type of question okay right is this clear for everyone right so next question is again based on the calculation so let's move on to the next question on the screen carefully solve it is a numerical type question easy question only what is important is only your calculation okay my side over now I will maintain silence Okay. Yeah, this question will not take more time. Okay. So I am solving here, right? So effective memory access time, if you observe the formula, what is the formula we have? Effective memory access time with TLB, okay, direct formula. So EMAT equal to X into C plus M, correct? So plus 1 minus X into C plus 2M, correct? So assume that entire page table is in the memory, page are in the physical memory. Okay, effective memory access time is what? 233, 233. Okay, X is what? Hit ratio, so 0.70. And TLB access time of TLB is 12 milliseconds. So that is 12. And main memory access time you need to find out. So that is M. Plus 1 minus X is what? 0.30. And C is how much here? C is 12 plus 2 into what? M. Okay. So M is the main memory access time we need to solve. So remember, you need to derive this equation. Okay, you need to solve this equation and find out the answer. Okay. So M value you get as exact answer 170 milliseconds. So you can say 170. Okay, 170 milliseconds. So somebody is given different answers. So please check your calculations. There is no approximate answer. The exact answer is 170. Exact answer is 170. Yeah, good afternoon, Aarti Simon. Right. So somebody is saying that 314.9. I don't know how they are getting the answer. So please verify your answer. Please verify your answer. Okay, right. So just check the calculation. So that is only important. So move on to the next question. I am moving on to the next question, guys. So this is based on the multi-level paging. This is based on the multi-level paging. So read the question carefully and try to solve. Okay, very less people given the answer. Right. So looks like some people are struggling. I don't know. Right. So let's try to understand here what is the question says. Suppose that you wish to design a virtual memory system with the following characteristics. Size of the page table entry is 4 bytes and each page table must fit into a single page frame. Okay, fine. The system must be able to support virtual address space of 4 GB. Virtual address space of 4 GB. Correct. You decided to use a multi-level paging and no more than 2 levels. Okay. What is the minimum size of the page? Minimum page size. Okay, system must have. Okay, right. Last level page table must fit into a what? A single page frame. Okay, fine. So first you find out the page table size. Okay, first time paging. First time paging page table size. First time paging page table size. How you get the page table size? Number of entries multiply with entry size. Number of entries is what? Okay, that is the okay. Remember page size. Number of entries same as what? Number of pages. Number of pages LAS divided by what? Page size. So look at here 4 GB. 4 GB means what? 2 power 32 divided by page size we don't know. So I am just assuming it as what? P. Multiply with entry size is what? 4 bytes. So this is indirectly 2 power 34 bytes divided by P. Correct? So that is a 34 only, correct? Right, 34 only. This is 2 power 32, that is 2 power 2. Correct? Next, second time if I do paging, because he is using what? Only 2 levels. So second time paging karo. Second time paging. Second time paging page table size. Second time paging page table size, you apply paging on that. So 2 power 34 divided by P, and remember bytes divided by what? P bytes. Remember I am assuming page size is what? P bytes. Page size is P bytes. So multiply with what? Entry size 4 bytes. So that is obviously BB cancel. So this value is how much here? 2 power 36 divided by P square bytes. Correct? 2 power 36 divided by P square bytes. Okay. So second time paging. So that is the answer. Now what is that we have to do? Okay, assume that last level page table must fit within the page. So this is the last level page table size. So this must be okay equated with what? Frame size. So 2 power 36 square divided by P square bytes, that must be equated with what? P bytes. Correct? So because page size, frame size both are same. Okay, right. So B cancel. So this will go right. This will come as P cube equal to right. So 2 power 36. Okay, so indirectly what? So can I write 2 power 12? Okay, whole power 3. So power 3 cancel. So P equal to what? 2 power 12. So P equal to 2 power 12. So page size you assumed as a bytes, P bytes. So that will be what? P bytes करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 2 power 12 bytes. So 2 power 12 bytes. What is the answer coming here? C. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. So many people given the answer, but some people okay are stuck up. Some people are in the stuck up. They are in the middle of solving the question. Okay, so make sure your calculation is correct. So यहाँ तक आने के बाद ये क्या हो जाएगा? इधर गए तो P cube equal to 2 power 36. So some people will do mistake in the calculation of this. Okay, 2 power 36 you can write 2 power 12 whole power 3, because 12 times 3 is 36. Power 3 cancel, and that is a P equal to what? 2 power 12. So hope that is clear, right? Okay, right. So let's move on to the next question. Right. This is a simple round robin question. Understanding the question and calculation is important. Understanding the question, only calculation is important. Question is not very tough. Okay. Okay. See, this is not a tough question. Remember, I have given all the arrival times are same. So when the arrival times are same, so it is very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay, right? So you just make the table first. Okay. See, observe here. You make the table first. Okay. What is the table? So process number. Okay. Arrival times and bus time. Okay, right? So okay, what is the process number? You have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, right? So arrival times are 0. So it is very simple. So okay, arrival times are 0 in the round robin means you execute in the same pattern. Okay, right? CPU requirements are what? 7352. This is 73. Okay, 52 and 1. Okay. So these are the okay bus times of the process given to you, and you need to find out average turnaround time, okay, under round robin scheduling with the time slice of what 2. See, remember turnaround time only is asking, turnaround time. So completion time minus arrival time. So how you will solve here? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, right? So you make the ready queue, or no, don't use ready queue, no problem, because arrival times are same. If the arrival times are same, you follow the same thing, A, B, C, D, E, and E will complete in the first round only, because that requires only one unit. So I am not writing completely. So see, I will just show you. Okay, A, B, okay, C, D, E, right? So A will execute 2 seconds because time quantum is 2, so it becomes 5. Okay, remaining time is 5. So B will execute 2 seconds 4, so remaining time is 1. So this will also execute 2 seconds 6, remaining time is what 3. So it will execute 2 seconds 8, so that is 0. It will execute only 1 unit 9, so that becomes 0. So now what is available? 5, 1, 3. Only these three are available. So now you execute A, B, C again. So you execute what? So A, okay, B, C. So A requires 5. So execute 2 seconds 11. So this becomes 3 here. B requires only 1 unit. So that is 12. Okay, that is 0. This requires 3, but you execute 2 seconds. That is 15. So that is 1. So next you take what? A, B, A, C चलाओगे और उसके बाद फिर से एक बार A चलाओगे. Okay. So I am just writing the answer. Okay, right? I am just writing the answer. So exact answer is 12.8. Okay, turnaround time. So you continue in the same manner. Continue in the same manner. I did not solve because easy. Because arrival times are same. So then the round robin becomes very easy. If the arrival times are completely different, so you have to be very careful, and you have to solve with the proper ready queue. Proper ready queue only you have to solve. Is that clear for everyone? Yeah. So but many people, some people are given the wrong answer in the first attempt just because of the hurriness. Okay. So sometimes these questions are coming, so your accuracy is only matters. Accuracy is only matters. Okay. Right. So move on to the next question. Okay. Move on to the next question. This is based on the page faults. Based on the page faults, just find out the page faults using FIFO, first in first out, and okay, LRU and optimal, and is asking the relation. Okay, so calculation, somebody taking more time. You need to find out number of page faults using FIFO, using LRU and optimal. Yeah, excellent. This is a little time taking process, but sometimes this kind of questions also expected. टाइम लगेगा, ओके, मगर ऐसा वाले क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपको पेशेंस रखना होगा. You must maintain the patience to solve this type of questions. Okay, right. So I think you can solve that later on also, right? Time is also important guys, you cannot take more time. Okay, कुछ लोग लाइन खींचने के लिए 2 मिनट टाइम ले रहे हैं. लाइन खींचने के लिए फटाफट फटाफट लिखना होगा. You have to write very fast. Right. Okay. But one thing is very good for this question, 100% accuracy. 100% accuracy. Everyone given. जो लोग अभी तक दिया है, okay, सब लोग सही दिया है. जो लोग अभी तक दिया सही दिया. So right answer is what? A. A is the right answer. So I'm not explaining this because that is just finding the page faults. Okay, not a tricky question. Okay, right. So let's move on to the next question. It's okay. अगर कोई इसका middle of solving है, right? You are in the middle of solving the question, so don't worry. Just stop it, and you can solve that later on. Okay, A is the right answer. Okay, A is the right answer. I have given already. Okay, right? So see here, A is the right answer. Okay, आप लोग बाद में solve कर लो. Okay, if anybody is still solving. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, next question पे ध्यान दो. Right? So this question is okay, little theoretical question, because sometimes this type of questions are also expected, and remember this is MSQ. Okay, this is MSQ. Okay, MSQ. Read the question and solve. Rohit, I am good. Okay, so this is a easy question and it will not take more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah, most of you given right answer. Okay, MSQ. Which of the following is true? Kernel is the program that constitutes the central core of the operating system. Yes. Okay, remember the main core of the operating system is called as what? Kernel. Core of the operating system is what? Okay, your schedulers. Okay, especially your short term scheduler, long term scheduler, mid term scheduler, dispatcher, loader, linker. So these are all the core of the operating system. So they are called as what? Kernel. That is true. And kernel is the first part of the operating system to load into the memory during the booting. Yes sir. So when you are booting the system, booting मतलब क्या है बताओ? When you switch on the computer, okay, जब system boot होगा, तो first this kernel will be loaded into what? Memory. That is true. And kernel is made of various modules. Okay, that is fine. Kernel is made of various modules which cannot be loaded in running operating system. So this is false. Okay, remember is made of various modules which cannot be loaded बोल रहा है, cannot be loaded in running operating system. That is false. That is loaded. Okay, right. Kernel remains in the memory during the entire computer session ना? Yes sir. So मतलब जब तक आपका system चलता रहे, okay, kernel should remain in the main memory only. Your short term scheduler, long term scheduler, dispatcher, so they are keep on executing in the main memory. So they must be remain in the memory. So when the system is on now. Okay, right. So what's the right answer? A, B, D. So A, B, D is the right answer. Is that clear for everyone? Right. Okay, so right. Most of you given the correct answer. Right. So the next question is okay, good question, little tricky, not very tough. Okay, जो आपको मालूम है उसी में से थोड़ा घुमा के क्वेश्चन दिया गया. क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ो. Read the next question carefully. And remember what is important is giving the right answer in the first attempt is only important. Giving the right answer in the first attempt is only important. So move on to the next question. Question based on the deadlocks. Okay. Okay. Excellent. Everybody giving right answer, but some people, okay, 2-3 people initially given the wrong answer. 2-3 people initially given the wrong answer. See, you are having total, okay, n processes. Okay, n processes. Okay, what we follow the formula, n-1 processes को एक एक कम मिलना चाहिए और एक process को तो पूरा मिलना चाहिए. So each process requires, okay, 5 resources. देखो n-1 प्रोसेस को कितना मिलना चाहिए, एक एक कम मिलना चाहिए और एक प्रोसेस को तो पूरा मिलना चाहिए. एंड दैट मस्ट बी इक्वेटेड टू व्हाट? टोटल अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस, ओके, 13. So you find out the okay n value so that there will not be any deadlock. So find out the n value here. So you get n value is what 3. Okay, so let me solve that. पूरा solve करूँ क्या? Right? I think not required. So okay 4n minus 4 okay plus 5 equal to 13. So this is what here okay 1 okay उधर गए तो 12. So 4n equal to 12. So n equal to what 3. So n equal to 3 है तो there is no deadlock. N equal to 3 है there is no deadlock. But what is the question saying? The minimum possible value of n which leads to deadlock. Okay, minimum possible value. Okay, which leads to deadlock. What is that here? Answer is 4. Answer is 4. Okay, n equal to 3 है there is no deadlock. But if I take n equal to 4, definitely deadlock will come. Is that clear? Right? So just careful while solving the questions. Right, very good. Many people given the right answer. I thought you will slip, but you gave the right answer. Okay, right. So the next question is okay, again good questions. Remember I told already okay many times the question paper is mixed of all variety of questions. कुछ क्वेश्चन चिटके में हो जाते, कुछ क्वेश्चन टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा, कुछ क्वेश्चन इरिटेट भी करेगा. Some questions will irritate you. Question is easy but it will irritate. Okay, solving. Some question is very logical. Okay, some question is calculation based, right? But you need to maintain the patience and stability in the entire paper. क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से आपका मूड चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज द पेपर इज ऑफ अ नंबर गेम. नंबर लाना इंपॉर्टेंट है. नंबर लाना इंपॉर्टेंट है. इज दैट क्लियर? राइट. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रिक्वायर्स पेशेंस. पेशेंस के साथ करना होगा. थोड़ा भी गलत करे तो ओके गलत हो जाएगा. ओके राइट. पेपर पेन रेडी रखो. ओके स्माइल करो सब लोग. थोड़ा स्माइल सिंबल भेजो सब लोग. मेंटेन स्माइल. मेंटेन स्माइल. ओके राइट. मुंह अच्छे से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन को क्या बोल रहे हैं. इट्स अ न्यूमेरिकल टाइप क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज राइट आंसर देना इंपॉर्टेंट है फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. स्माइल कर रहे हैं सब लोग. राइट. पेपर पेन रेडी रखो. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके रीड द क्वेश्चन. राइट. ओके इट इज टाइम टेकिंग. टाइम लगेगा. ओके अच्छा सोच के पढ़ के सॉल्व करो. टाइम लगेगा. वेरी गुड. double check your answers. So this kind of questions will also be there in the paper, and that will definitely bounce everyone. Okay, so in these questions I will see answers. Okay, very less people are right answer, right? So majority the wrong answers only, but everybody know how to solve this question. That is interesting. What is interesting is सबको मालूम है कि ये कैसे सॉल्व करना. Double check your answers. I'll wait last 1-2 minutes. Okay, right. I think I have given sufficient time, guys. So you know the concept, okay, very clearly, CPU time, IO time concept, and you know what is the LRTF also, right? You know LRTF also, right? Okay, so I told, okay, there will be some questions which are irritating. Okay, I mean, this question is like irritating question, but easy question only. Irritating question होता है मगर easy question है, मगर आपको नंबर लाना इंपॉर्टेंट है. कौन सा क्वेश्चन से नंबर ला रहा है उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो इसलिए नो सेंटिमेंट फॉर एनी क्वेश्चन, तो इक्वल प्रेफरेंस फॉर एवरी क्वेश्चन. ओके, राइट. So right, so I'll reveal the answer. So many people given the wrong answer only, almost 90% wrong answers, right? 90% okay, wrong answer only. The right answer is 28. Okay, so congratulations those who got 28. So I think what is his name, Rinmai Mati and Raksha Singh, and next Srijit given right answer. Sayan Chakraborty right answer. Okay, right. So 4-5 people given right answer. Okay, right. Srijit and Ayush Sharma. Okay, in my Mati. Okay, 4-5 people given right answer, looks like. So remaining is the wrong answer only, right? So okay, it's okay, right? I'll show you the Gantt chart. Okay, I'm not solving the question actually because it takes more time, and I'll show you the Gantt chart. So first, this is how you make the table. I think the bus times are given. So 20%, 60% and 20%, correct? All of you made in the same manner. So this is I think 20%, this is 60% IO and 20% CPU again. So first you make the table, okay, with the values. So then you have to solve the, okay, LRTF use करके आपको solve करना है. Okay, longest remaining time first. Our same thing, if the bus times are matching, you follow lowest process ID, because arrival times are same. Arrival times are same. Arrival times are okay, same. Okay, so I'll show you the Gantt chart also. Gantt chart bhi hai, Gantt chart also I'll show you. See, this is the Gantt chart you are having. At what time P0 completing? P0 completing at the time 28. Okay, right? So please solve this once again. फिर से solve करो. Yeah, Sayan Chakraborty saying sir, easy question similar to GATE 2006. Yeah. Sir, I did very legendary mistake. IO CPU क्वेश्चन में गिवा था CPU IO CPU, पता नहीं क्या लिया तुमने. चलो ठीक है, whatever it is, right? So okay, this kind of questions are also expected. Okay, right? So carefully you need to solve. Okay, that is about today's GTQ. So I'll stop the session okay for today, and enjoy your preparation. Okay, right? So be brave, okay, when you are solving the question, right? And tomorrow we are having the same GTQ session of programming and data structures. So try to come in the live, okay. So the questions will be mix of all variety, tough होगा, easy होगा, theoretical होगा, calculation होगा, logical होगा, right? देखो last question calculation question था थोड़ा, मगर many people 90% given wrong answer, right? So this type of questions are also available in the paper, okay, right? See, in the paper they are testing your patience also, they are tested in the exam. आपका patience को भी test किया जाएगा, right? So thank you so much for your time, okay, and that's all for today's session, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay, again same time 2:30 p.m. with the programming and data structure, okay. So thank you so much, take care, bye bye.